अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं नल्लिकापुली अचार। नल्लिकापुली स्टार गूसबेरी के नाम से भी जाना जाता है। इसको बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए 1 kg star gooseberries. Soak it in hot water for around 2 to 3 minutes and then drain it. And keep a 2 tablespoon Kashmiri chilli powder, 1 tablespoon regular chilli powder, half teaspoon Zeera powder, 2 to 3 tablespoons rock salt, 10 to 20 garlic cloves, 4 dry red chillies, curry leaves, 2 carrots julienned, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon hing, half tablespoon methi seeds or powder, 3 to 4 to 1 cup of gingelly oil or sunflower oil. Wash the star gooseberries and add to the hot water and keep it 2 to 3 minutes. We need this to become just a little bit soft. Strain the star gooseberries and keep it aside. Heat a thick bottomed pan. Add the gingelly oil or the sunflower oil. Once it is hot, add the mustard seeds and the methi seeds. Saute for 30 to 40 seconds. Now add the curry leaves, dry red chillies and garlic cloves. Once the garlic cloves turn a little light brown, once it is light brown, switch off the flame. We don't want the spice powders to burn. You can switch it on later. Add the red chilli powder, the Zeera powder and 3/4 to 1 tablespoon of methi powder, half a teaspoon of hing and 2 tablespoons of rock salt. Mix well. Flame is still off. We have not yet switched it on. Switch it on after mixing. Keep it on low flame. Add the sliced carrots. Mix well. Now add the star gooseberries. Mix well again. It is still on low flame. Mix well and switch off the flame. Keep it covered till it cools down. Once it's cooled, then you can transfer to a airtight glass container. This pickle is very tasty. Once you make it, you'll be wanting to make it again and again. Keep it in the fridge, but if you want to keep it outside, then make sure that the oil level is above the gooseberries. This is a final look after it has cooled down. Store it in an airtight glass container. Do try it out. Thank you for watching.